Hey folks, welcome back. In this video, we are looking at print function and comments. So I'm going to go directly to my files and I'll go in my directory. I will create a file where I will explain how do comments work and how does print work. Now comment. Comment is a line that you will write, line or multiple lines that you will write in your program to explain what is going on in your program. Programmers write comments so that when somebody else reads their code, they can see what exactly is going on. For us, we're gonna write our name. I'll go with Cody. Your date when you're writing this. So every program you write, you're going to write name, date, and description. Date is, let's say, 2/25/20, and description. Description is understanding print function and comments. Now, print function. So next thing I'm going to talk to you about a function. What is a function? Function is something that takes an input and returns something. Like function of a school bus is to take students from one place and deliver it to school. Function of a hospital is to treat people. So that's a function. Function does take an input, right? So we'll print. You see, when I wrote the word print, it became blue, meaning it has a special meaning in Python. It's a function, it is already defined. Now, parentheses. Parentheses after the name print or the word print. Um, these parentheses are where this function takes an input. Now, functions take only specific type of input. If a function of a car is to travel people from place one to place two, uh, then cars cannot be used to transfer, let's say, huge boxes. You need a truck to do that. So function takes specific type of inputs. Like school bus is used to transport students. You cannot use school bus to transport horses, right? So function takes a specific type of input. Now this print function takes words. Now words. Now how does so if I write the word hello, is print going to take the word hello as an input? If I let me try to save that. When I save this thing, what you see is it's giving me a warning. It's saying undefined name hello. Print does not understand what hello is. Hello is in plain English. Now, if I put double quotes or single quotes around hello, uh, and let's say I save that. Now, print understands hello is an information of type string. Now, what is string? Um, Strings is information of type words and letters and sentences. Now, so print function takes a string type of input. That's what I'm giving it. I'll save it. How do I make sure my input is of type string? By putting double quotes in it. So hello is a literal string. And now when I run this code, this print function is going to take hello and display it on the console. Console is down there and we see that it's hello. Hey, can it be anything else? Can it be hello world? And it will be that, right? So we can now save that. Remember that Python, anywhere, you have to continuously save your work. It does not auto-save. So that's it for the print command and the comments. And next, there'll be set of exercises you will be doing using the print command. Print prints the string type of input that it has on each line, right? So for each line of code, there will be a different print statement. In the next video, we will talk about various data types and variables. Thank you for watching.